Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project and Electronics Kaleidoscope, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This colorful LED display is like a kaleidoscope and looks charming and fascinating. It's easy to use, and you can arrange it however you want for fun. The components used to develop this project are a 555 timer IC working as astable multivibrator, a 4020 14-bit binary counter IC which is used to generate patterns, 9 different color LEDs with holders to display patterns, a 9-volt DC adapter to power up the circuit. Apart from these, few resistors and capacitors are used. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is our setup. You can see a colorful LED display that looks like a kaleidoscope. Interested in developing your own electronics kaleidoscope? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.